Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited. Like, oh, look at this. I feel like a rock star. Like, I feel like a musician. Maybe I am, but I feel like a musician. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Today I'm going to be showing you how I made this wig. Yes, it's not my hair. Unfortunately, it's a wig. I made it using Afro Kinky by Darling. I'm going to show you how I made it. It's pretty simple. If you watched my other wig tutorial, an Afro wig tutorial, then you will see how, then you know the method already. You can also watch it, but I really wanted to try a different color of wig before I embark on coloring my hair. I've been really talking about coloring my hair this year. I don't know, I'm still hung up on it. I really want to color, like even if it's highlights. I just want to change something. Maybe I'm about to make a big decision here. Anyway, so I really want to color my hair, and before that I'm going to be trying different colors so that I see how they suit my complexion. Yeah, and I'd advise that if you also want to color, you can try different wigs of different colors so that you can know how you'd look in the color. Why I'm so cautious before I color my hair is because, one, when I cut my hair, the first time I cut my relaxed hair, I don't know, it's 2012 or 2013. It's 2012. When I first cut my relaxed hair, like I went to the kinyozi after an exam and I was like, I'm so done with this hair. Like, that person cut my hair really low. Like, woo. I wanted something longer, but it was so down. Like, where yeah, I didn't even take pictures. That's why I never have pictures of when I had short hair, or if I have, I'm not so sure I'll share. Anyway, so once the person cut my hair, I was like, I don't like it. Let me spice it up. Let me color my hair. Then I went to a salon in town, and then I told them I want maroon. So that lady, hey, whatever she did on my head, let's just say it came out like a screaming, not blonde white, but screaming yellow. I don't know if it was like this, but I can't remember, but it was bad. Like, you know, when you really expect a maroon color and then you get a totally different color. So when I got so angry, I was like, this is not the color I told you. I wanted maroon. So she's like, hey, let me see if I can try to reverse it. And now we ended up with a color that I can't even define. When she tried to mix with, and now the maroon, it ended up a different color. I didn't like it. I cried. My mom was like, what the hell have you done to your hair? No, you can't stay in this house with that hair. So I was in braids. All the time. And you know how parents are, you have to comb your natural hair. I just didn't like the whole pressure, the whole vibe. So I decided to braid a lot until my hair grew, and then the color grew out. And several times after that I had tried Subaru, and I wouldn't advise you to use Subaru, the hair color. I don't know, it didn't mess up my hair, but the reviews online, I don't know. Has it worked for you before? I don't know. So this time I'm really cautious. Either I'll color at home or I'll go to a specialist after I've done so much research, which I'm still doing. I'm just trying to see which color will suit me. But yeah, at the end of this tutorial, please tell me what you think about this color, because guys, I like it, but okay, yeah, my other half doesn't like it, but I like it. What do you mean? In fact, he dissed me. I can't tell you what he said. He's like, hi. It's like, Ati, you look like those background dancers for Lady Maureen, like the singers, the Luo singers, dancers who are usually dancing. I was like, no way. So all you're going to need is a head dummy. Then you're going to need your crochet needle and your weaving cup, and also your braid For me, it's the soft kinky darling grade that I'm going to use in the shade color 30. Yeah, so let's see how this goes. If you have pins, you can secure your wig cap on this head dummy. I just lost my pins, but we'll keep going. So after setting up the dummy and putting together all the things you need, I'm just going to show you how the hair looks. It comes in bundles like this, and I'm going to separate the hairs before I start, just to make my work easier. Then as usual, I'm going to insert the crochet needle into the wig cap. Then I insert the hair, close the hook, push it down, then insert the hair that I'm holding inside the loop that I've created and just tighten it. It's easy, guys. I showed you the last time, so if you haven't gotten it yet, I'm just going to keep repeating for you to see the technique used. And I'm going to do this throughout. I'm going to use this method throughout. I used approximately 1 hour to create this wig. And just a quick tip, this braid has really sharp ends, so I'm going to advise that you trim the end before you start, like one of those ends. Just trim it slightly before you decide to install the hair. So just trim it slightly before you install the hair to make your work easy when it comes to the trimming. So as I said, the back should be shorter, so you can cut the braid into 2 at the back. Yeah, so just a quick tip, if you're going to make this wig, please make sure that okay, 1 pack is enough, but make sure that the front is longer than the back when you're making an afro wig, so to get that afro shape. And then also when you're trimming, try and first place it on your head, then trim. Then you can return it on the dummy to neaten, but it's good to trim your wigs when they're on your head so that you don't overdo it, rather than when they're on the dummy. Then secondly, I believe that's all. Like, it's simple, guys. And if you liked this tutorial or this video, please comment below, tell me what you think, show me some love. Like this video, turn your notification on, bell on, yeah, for more videos. I'm really trying to be committed before the year ends. Yeah, so please subscribe and share this video with your friends, and thank you for watching.